How to share PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can share a PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp using your mobile device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the PowerPoint project that you want to share and tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Save, and after that simply tap on export this file to ODP, and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you have to select the destination for the file. So simply choose any option. For this video I'll choose this device, and after that I'm going to simply select download, and after that I'm going to simply export the file. And once the file is exported, simply exit the PowerPoint app and open the WhatsApp app, and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have opened the WhatsApp app, simply go to the group or individual chat where you want to send the presentation. And once you are in the chat section, simply tap on the paperclip icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Document. Now, simply select the file of a PowerPoint which you have exported earlier. And once you have selected it, simply tap on the send icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, your PowerPoint presentation will be shared on WhatsApp. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.